morning, Ma'am Sinita.
Good morning.
So I'm here to conduct an interview with you. So first of all, I'm so very grateful with this because you accept my invitation to have an interview with you. Um, I have following questions that I will ask you with regards to the importance of PTCA meeting. Are you an advisor, Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
What specific grade do you handle?
Grade 10 Mercury.
The grade 10. Um, we all know that, Ma'am, na every quarter there's an PTCA meeting, which is a parent teacher association conference. So for you, Ma'am, what is the importance of PTCA meeting?
It is very important uh, in order for us to have a collaborative effort to manage the students' behavior. Right? So, because it should be a partnership in handling the different behavior of our students nowadays, especially uh, this time that they are very influenced with different social medias, games or like email or is that the uh,
Mobile games.
mobile games.
Thank you for sharing your perspective, Ma'am. So next question, Ma'am. So do you encounter any challenges during PTCA meeting? Challenges,
during
yes.
PPCA meetings. The
Yes,
number one challenge is that the attendance of the parents. So only few of them are interested to attend the PPCA meeting. So for some other reasons, uh, then uh, the parents are seems not so contented with your specific role in guiding your students.
uh, yes, Ma'am. I feel that, Ma'am. So last question, Ma'am, for you. So um, as a teacher, what is your message to the parents with regards to the behaviors of their students? So as an advisor, no, so it's not like easy to handle such students, especially especially when there are students with different behaviors and attitudes. So what is your message to the parents?
So to the parents, it is very important that we should collaborate each other uh, and as a parent should attend parent teachers conference for us to be well informed with the uh, progress and uh, development of our children in school. So it is very important to attend meeting to be updated with the educational system today, and that also to be attended with your obligation as number one support system for your
Yes.
children when it comes to academic performance and behavior. All knowing that uh, students' behavior should be disciplined at home first because at school it should focus to the lessons to be learned, especially the uh, educational system today. The matatag curriculum is uh, very, uh, shall we say, limited time in its learning area. So we are opting to finish the competencies in order to uh, meet the expected outcome
Yes.
in each quarter. So in school, the student should be well disciplined already, so we could not be bothered in disciplining them. So that the lessons will be uh, smooth, you know, in such a way that uh, they are disciplined and more cooperative when they are already uh, guided by their parents at home. I hope I answered you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing your insights, ma'am, and knowledge. And I'm really oriented with that. I'm really oriented with that PTCA knowledge because I can also use it to my future endeavor or for my as a future teacher, ma'am. Yes, and I will what we call that I will sana ikan mo sana I will treasure, yes ma'am, I will treasure your knowledge, yes, so that I can use it to my as a future teacher. Thank you so much, ma'am, for having you today.
Thank you so much.